Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Patriot Bank checking account for low fees. When I was looking for a checking account that wouldn't eat away at my money with fees, I had to dig deep into what Patriot Bank offers. And I found that the best option, in terms of keeping fees low and avoiding the headache of minimum balances, is generally the e-checking account. Here's my personal take on why I chose the e-checking account for low fees. No minimum balance hassle. For me, the biggest fee risk is a monthly service charge tied to a minimum balance. The e-checking account doesn't have a minimum balance requirement to keep it open. This is a huge relief, especially for managing day-to-day cash flow. Monthly fee is avoidable, or low. This account has a low monthly fee, $5 as of my research. But here's the key. You can easily avoid it. The fee is waived if you limit your check writing to 5 or fewer checks per month. Since I do almost all my banking and bill payments online and use a debit card, this requirement is a non-issue. It's perfect for someone who is tech-savvy and rarely writes paper checks. Digital focus, fewer paper fees. The E in e-checking means it's designed for digital users. You get unlimited access to online and mobile banking, which are free. If you're using their digital tools for everything, you naturally avoid fees associated with paper statements or check transactions. Low starting deposit. The minimum to open an e-checking account is also quite low, around $100. This makes it easy to get started without tying up a lot of capital. My experience has been that if you are comfortable with digital banking, using your debit card, online bill pay, and mobile deposits, the Patriot Bank e-checking account is the most straightforward, low-fee option they offer. It gives you all the core banking services you need without the stress of maintaining a high average daily balance or paying a significant monthly maintenance fee. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.